So it's minus 25 outside. With the wind chill, it's minus 35, I guess. I'm bored, and in this video I'm going to replace the tail assembly on this GSXS1000 2017 for a small one from Yoshimura. Let me show you what we need as far as tools. You'll need a 10mm socket, 8 and 10mm wrenches, a Phillips screwdriver, soldering iron, a bit of electrical tape, and a pair of cutters. You can loosen the tie wraps. There are 3 of them on the side of the bike. You can just use your finger, pull a little tab to loosen it, and then unplug 3 connectors. There's a gray and black one for the turn signals, and a white one for the license plate light. Spool the harness towards the back. That's why you needed to loosen all 3 tie wraps. Just pull them out of the way to the back, and then remove the 4 bolts underneath the bike. It's 10mm. Remove the 4 of them and just pull the whole assembly out. That's it. Flip it upside down, remove the 5 Phillips head screws, and you'll be able to remove the 2 turn signals using an 8mm wrench. Just notice that left and right have different connectors. There's a gray and a black one. It's easier not to confuse them. Use a pair of cutters to remove the little tie wrap that's holding all the wires together. Third cable right there is the license plate light. I will cut it later because I need to reuse this. I don't have a connector on my new license plate light. Put everything back together. You might have a different model than I have. Just follow directions or common sense. Now the kit came with a crimp-on connector, which is a piece of junk, so I tossed it away, and I used my soldering iron to make sure it will last. To reinstall, just feed the cables through the hole. Then you add the 4 bolts that are holding everything in place. That's the 10mm socket. We run the harness on the side of the bike through the tie wraps As you can see, my tail light cable is really long because the old assembly was super long, and I could have cut my cable shorter, but it's okay. I'll just fold it a few times, so it's good. You can tighten the tie wraps, the 3 of them, and then just plug in the connectors, and that's pretty much it. Pretty simple maybe, but who knows, maybe it helps someone out there. Only thing, when you put it back together, make sure you put the left one on the left side and right one on the right side, because when I went and tried it, and yeah, it was inverted. I got lazy, so I just switched the connectors, so the gray one's on the black one and black one on the gray one. But if you want, it just takes like a minute or two to remove it. I mean, just talk about that is longer, I guess. It'll sit like this. My license plate won't fit. It's wider than the holder. I'll just remove it, drill it, and put it back. It was the same on my KTM 500 EXC and the Ninja. It's always the same, I guess, on bikes. Yeah, can't wait for the winter to be over to go back on my bike. I mean, KTM, of course, because, yeah, look at that. It's awesome. Thanks for watching.